There's a reason people stop taking you seriously, and it's not because you're not smart, it's because of the things you say without thinking, words that slip out like reflex, but slowly tear down your credibility, your confidence, your power. Have you ever noticed how certain phrases burn bridges before you even realize they're on fire? Ever wondered why people listen more to those who speak less but speak better? Here's the uncomfortable truth you might be sabotaging yourself every single day with words that feel normal but signal weakness, fear, or a closed mind. Stoics warned us better to trip with the feet than with the tongue. Your speech reveals your thinking, Gand. Your thinking shapes your life. In this video, we're going to uncover the phrase thought silently scream, "I'm not who I pretend to be," and replace them with the mindset of those who actually earn respect. Because if you don't control your words will control your fate. If you're ready to speak with clarity, lead with strength, and live by higher value, is not just talk about them, please. Subscribe. Let it be a quiet decisianto. Hold yourself to a higher standard. A small act of discipline, a step toward becoming the kind of person whose words reflect wisdom, not impulse. One. I already know there's something subtle and surprisingly dangerous about familiarity. We hear a lesson we've heard before, a principle, a reminder, a piece of advice, and instead of taking a moment to reflect or reconsider it, our minds